Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing guys how you can basically delete your every history, like searches history, and kind of like adjust it in settings. So go to history here and go to manage all history, and here is where you are going to basically scroll down to saving your YouTube history, and you're going to select turn off, and it will basically just not like it will just basically like disable it. So just turn it off here and just press pause. I'm not going to do that, of course, because I like to see what videos that I've watched. You can also choose an auto delete option, and you can auto delete activity older than like 36 months, 18 months, and there's 3 months as well. And I'm just going to select don't auto delete it, and then it's just going to save. And that's how you can basically just like put a pause on like YouTube history recording your activity basically. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.